In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all your connections on LinkedIn. Start by opening LinkedIn and heading to your main feed. From here, click Home to make sure you're on the default dashboard. This ensures the top navigation is visible and up to date, which makes the next steps quick and easy. Next, click My Network at the top of the page. This is the hub for your invitations, suggestions, and the full list of people you're already connected with. On the left side of this page, you'll see the Manage My Network panel. If that panel looks condensed, click Show More to expand the options so everything is visible. Now click Connections. This opens your complete list of LinkedIn connections in one place. You'll see their names, headlines, and the ability to manage or message them as needed. To control how this list appears, look for the sorting menu at the top of the list. If you want to see who you've recently connected with, choose Recently Added. This is especially helpful when you've just met people at an event or finished a round of outreach and want to follow up with the newest names first. Prefer alphabetical order? Click first name to sort A to Z by first name or last name to sort by family name. These quick toggles are useful when you remember someone's name but not when you connected. When you're looking for a specific person, type their name into the search by name field above the list. You can try partial names and LinkedIn will narrow the results as you type. This is the fastest way to jump straight to the person you have in mind. For more precise control, use the search with filters. This opens up advanced options so you can refine the list beyond simple text search. Depending on your view, you may see filters related to connection degree. If available, clicking second will show people who are connected to your connections, and third plus will extend that to an even wider network. These are handy when you're broadening a search, though your direct connections list focuses on people you're already connected with. To see everything you can refine at once, click All Filters. Here you can usually narrow by location, company, school, and other profile details. Apply what you need, and your list will update to show only the most relevant people. And that's it. You've learned how to open your full connections list, sort it the way you like, search by name, and refine with filters for faster navigation. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.